Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Visual Studio Code for Salesforce development. First, you'll need to install Visual Studio Code itself, which is a free and highly customizable editor. Next, download and install the Salesforce Command Line Interface, or CLI. This essential tool allows you to interact with your Salesforce organizations directly from your terminal. After installation, open your terminal and type SFDX version to confirm it's working correctly. This foundational setup takes just a few minutes. Once Visual Studio Code is installed, the next crucial step is to add the Salesforce extensions. Navigate to the Extensions view, typically found on the left sidebar. Search for Salesforce Extension Pack and install it. This single pack provides a comprehensive suite of tools, including support for Apex, Aura components, Lightning Web Components, and SOCL queries, making your development experience much smoother. It's a one-click installation that unlocks powerful Salesforce-specific features. With the extensions in place, you're ready to connect Visual Studio Code to your Salesforce organization. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows or Command-Shift-P on Mac. Type SFDX, authorize an org, and select the command. You'll then choose your environment, such as a sandbox or production organization, and give it a memorable alias. A browser window will open, prompting you to log into Salesforce, securely linking your development environment. Now for the core development work. You can either create a brand new Salesforce project or retrieve existing metadata from your authorized organization. Make your desired changes to Apex classes, Lightning Web Components, or any other Salesforce files. To push your updates, simply right-click on the file or folder and select SFDX, deploy source to org, or use the Salesforce CLI. Visual Studio Code also offers an integrated debugger for efficient Apex code troubleshooting, streamlining your development workflow significantly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.